I got 340 euros refund from my public health insurance in Germany, but you can get up to 600 euros per year. Let's talk about that. Hey friends, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Essen. I'm a researcher based in Germany, and on this channel we explore the strategies and tools that help us achieve financial freedom. Today I want to talk about refunds from public health insurance companies. You might already be aware that there is a no usage refund from German private health insurance providers each year, also known as Beitragsrückerstattung. This is a partial refund from your contribution made to your private health insurance provider if you did not make a claim within the previous calendar year. But this is not just with private health insurance companies. Some public health insurance companies also offer their members an optional tariff with premium refunds. I remember as a student, I never visited the doctor. I actually didn't even have a house arts for the first 5 years in Germany, which I think is the case for many students coming to Germany, as younger people are generally healthy and don't visit the doctor that often. Similar thing is true for many people working full-time and paying upwards of 300 euros each month in health insurance contribution. So thinking back, I would have definitely benefited from this kind of offer if I had started much earlier. So how does this actually work? Well, if the insured persons of the corresponding statutory health insurance do not claim any benefits for a year, they will receive part of their contribution back. There are certain exceptions where you can actually visit the doctor and still be eligible to claim the bonus. Checkups such as dental or cancer checkups or vaccinations are not included and can be carried out regularly. So if the insured person has not claimed any benefits in a year, they can often receive a maximum of 1 month's premium back as a premium refund. Exactly how much the reimbursement is actually depends from healthcare insurance company to healthcare insurance company. However, there is an upper limit. A maximum of 600 euros may be repaid, and this payment is usually made over the course of the following year. The duration of the optional tariff is at least 1 year. So if you're thinking of changing your public health insurance, I do not think that it would make sense for you to choose this option right now. Alright, that was all general information. Let's get into the specifics. As there are many insurance companies that fall under the public health insurance bucket, I cannot tell you specifics for every single one. But if a health insurance company is providing this optional tariff, the details should be pretty similar. My insurance provider is TK, and their optional tariff is called Prämie Extra. According to the TK terms, you are entitled to 1 month's contribution back up to a maximum of 600 euros if you do not use any health services provided by the insurance provider, except statutory health care such as cancer screening or health checkup, 2 dental checkups per year, vaccinations including travel vaccinations, services due to pregnancy and childbirth, health courses on nutrition and exercise, and TK services such as TK Doctor Center or the TK Reminder service. If you have a family insurance, then all members covered in your insurance will be considered. Only usage from children under 18 years of age will not be considered as using the healthcare services. Usage of the health insurance for any other service will make you ineligible for the bonus. Important thing here is that there is no risk for you if you opt for this tariff. If during the year you end up using a service, there will be no extra burden on you except that you will not receive this bonus. As I mentioned earlier, you will get 1 month's contribution back. So for students, it would be 85.87 euros, and for employees, the return would be between 316 euros to a maximum of 600 euros based on your individual contribution. Let's talk about who can take part in this optional tariff. Anyone who pays their complete health insurance contribution or pays part of it, like an employee where they pay part of the insurance and the employer pays half of the contribution, can take part in this optional tariff. You must also have been with the insurance provider for at least 3 months before applying for the tariff. The participation in the program starts from the first day of the following month after the submission of the participation documents. As I mentioned earlier, this bonds you with the same insurance provider for the next 12 months, but for many it does not matter. Now the most important question, When will you receive this bonus? At the end of the year, you will get an invoice per post and the payment would be sent to your account the next year. This 600 euros is just one thing. You can claim up to 10,000 euros in your tax return if you are supporting someone. So in this video, I'll tell you exactly how to make that claim. Thanks for watching. Bleib gesund and I'll see you in this video.